Welcome Line. Welcome to the Future Bike Hub 09, where we explore machines that define simplicity, reliability, and everyday performance. Today, we are featuring a legendary commuter bike that has ruled the streets for decades, the Road Prince 70. Main bike details. The Road Prince 70 is one of the most trusted and fuel-efficient motorcycles in the entry-level segment. It is specially designed for daily commuting, offering a perfect balance of durability, comfort, and low maintenance cost. Powered by a 72 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke engine, this bike delivers smooth and consistent performance for city rides as well as short-distance travel. Its engine is tuned for maximum fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical choices for riders. The design of the Road Prince 70 is simple yet practical. It comes with a lightweight frame, making it extremely easy to handle, especially in traffic conditions. The seating position is comfortable, allowing riders to enjoy long hours of riding without fatigue. It features a kickstart system, a reliable gearbox, and a strong suspension setup that handles rough roads with ease. Whether it's daily office commuting, school travel, or small errands, this bike is built to deliver consistent performance every time. The fuel average of Road Prince 70 is one of its strongest points. It can deliver excellent mileage, making it highly budget-friendly for users who are looking to save on fuel expenses. Its braking system is responsive, providing safety and control even at moderate speeds. The tires are designed for grip and stability, ensuring a smooth riding experience on both urban roads and slightly uneven surfaces. Another key highlight is its low maintenance cost. Spare parts are easily available, and servicing is simple, which makes it a long-term reliable option for everyday riders. Overall, the Road Prince 70 stands as a symbol of affordability, durability, and practicality. It may not be a high-speed machine, but it is a true workhorse for daily life. Closing line. That's it for today's feature on the Road Prince 70, only on Future Bike Hub 09. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing bikes, futuristic machines, and detailed reviews, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Bike Hub. Stay connected for more rides into the future of biking. See you in the next video.